Hi, I'm Margaret and I'm making butter cookies today. If you haven't tried them before, they really are beautifully buttery. My thanks to Anadi for suggesting these cookies. They're absolutely beautiful. I'm so pleased I was able to try them. Anadi has his own cooking channel and I'll put the link to his channel in the description below so you can visit him. He makes some great food. Well, now I've mixed the icing sugar into the butter, I'll give it a good whiz to make sure it becomes lovely and creamy. A little vanilla extract for flavour and a couple of egg yolks. Give it a lovely rich texture. And another whiz to make sure everything's beautifully incorporated before we add the flour. I'm sieving the flour because these are such a light, delicate biscuit. I want to make sure it's beautifully fine. And let's mix this in by hand so we don't overmix it. I think that should be about it. You can pipe these biscuits, but I'm going to do something a bit different and roll it into cling film. So I have a nice sausage shape which can be cut into individual cookies. I'm going to roll it quite tight, drawing the mixture over. And I'll need to thin that out a little bit by giving it a bit of a roll. I'm using the inside of a kitchen paper roll just to help it keep its shape while it's in the fridge. The butter's cooled now, so the roll should be quite firm. Let's get this cling film off. I thought I'd give the cookies a nice sugary edge. So I'm using this coloured sugar and I'm going to roll the sausage shape into the sugar to cover the edge completely. Now I can cut it into slices, just less than about 1 centimetre each. And so they keep their shape into the freezer. Once they're frozen, they're ready to bake. And I'm going to spread them out a little bit because they do expand with the heat. And there they are. You can see that lovely caramelised edge where the sugar was. Now Anadi told me that he'd like chocolate on these butter cookies. So I'm going to use a little bit of white and a little bit of milk. And let's add a few little stars for decoration. And once the chocolate has set, here they are. Thank you very much for watching today. It's always good to have your company. Have a great week and I'll catch you soon.